Welcome back, guys. It's Tim's Adventures. In this episode, we're going to remove the dash and start with the wiring. Let me just start disconnecting all these guys. Let me grab the other end of that. There you go. No, it's a twist one. It's the aerial. Yeah, it's the aerial for the CB radio. Let me remove the stereo now. And then an aerial cable coming up, and two little tabs there that are holding on relays or something. Kind of look like relays. So we're going to get those two off. You just pull the clip off and then you weave the cable through the hole. And that's it. Just do that for all of them. And we'll be back once we finish them all. Alright, to get this front plate off, there's just little tabs across the top that clip onto just here. So you just lift it up and it comes out. You also have to pull off all your little guys and then disconnect the connector off the back. That's it, gets your front plate off. And then just the three screws on the outsides, and that'll come off. That goes out. There might be another connector in the back. There's something down the back there. No, the wire goes further forward than that, wherever your fingers are. Just pop that out. Actually, it's a screw. Is it? Yeah, there's a screw back there. Might be able to get that long one. Move that screw to the back there. And then she might be able to come the whole way out now. Except for one electrical connector at the back. Guess that'd be for the fan speed and the gauge of the wires. Probably the lights and stuff. Alright. And that's it. And now next, probably going to pull the dash out. So there's a few little covers at the top. You get those 4 out. And then there's this cover on the side. And there's some bolts down the bottom here, probably on both sides. And then we'll see if it comes out. We're also going to remove the steering wheel as well. Hey! Two screws to pull that off? 3. One up top and then 2 down there. And then a lot of connectors. 6 connectors? Yeah, the looks of it. The shortest flat blade we have. There's even a connector there that wasn't connected. Yeah. Or is that the... I don't know, the barrels. The light for the barrel was there. Yeah.
Damn, this thing's greasy.
There we go. That's out now. Now we're going to get the dash out. There's 2 screws up the top there. 3. One at that far end. And then there's another 4 at the bottom. 2 on this side, probably 2 that side. And then once we come out, you have to disconnect these connectors on both sides. Alright, once you remove all those, you can just pull her out. Ooh. Splitting at the top here.
Is it?
Yeah, when you bent it.
Oh, they're in 2 pieces anyway, I think.
Yeah, it's probably just screws or something. Just disconnect the clips. Alright, we're just going to remove the 4 screws from the instrument cluster now. There's 2 at the top there, and then 2 at the bottom. Depends. Yeah, we just have a few wire connectors on the bottom of this.
And not a great deal of leeway with the harness.
Hopefully these aren't too tight. Famous last words. Shouldn't have said anything.
I suppose in their defence, they've probably been there since the mid-90s.
I think I pulled this dash out once.
Okay.
So. Last connector. Alright.
Just for what it's worth, some of them have just a single release, which is what that is, and then some of them have a release on either side. One there and one there. Pinch both at the same time.
We've got another bolt here, just on top of the steering column that we're taking out. We also have this, the choke here, except we don't know how to actually get it out, so we're just going to pull it out of the firewall and bring the whole cable with it. So we'll see if that's all we need to do to pull this out. There might be something else. Another bolt on that side. Just give it a yank.
Yeah, there's something in this corner, I can feel it. If this comes off and there's one underneath that.
I don't think it comes off at all.
Well, at any rate, the cables have to come off the bottom, the fuel cap and bonnet.
Alright, so we're just going to take off the releases, the fuel cap, the bonnet. Alright, there's actually no more bolts, we just had to pull it a bit hard. Might have something over here though. Electrical connector. Yep. We have just a wire. We just need to pull the thing through the firewall. No. Alright, stop.
Safety stint.
Don't need that where we're going. Is that the right one?
Hope so. But did you die?
That is stronger. Alright, so we put the wires up to get them out of the way. Removed all the bolts hopefully. So let's now see if it can come out.
Just open the firewall, it'll come out. How do you do this? You always want to try and point these upwards, because if you point them downwards you end up with coolant all over your carpet.
That's if it had coolant running through it in the last 2 years.
Oh, you will bet there's still coolant.
Probably. Alright, any more screws in this guy? It feels like it. I mean, well, maybe that one.
to redo the foam anyway.
Yeah. Alright. He's got a connector for him. There we go. Whoa. Jesus. A few leaves in there. Wow. Alright.
Yeah, let's put a little mesh screen.
Wow, have a look in here too. A lot of junk in there.
The sound the fan made when it was running.
Yeah, that's why it ran so well. Let's just remove this guy down here.
Might just be the AC pipes and the firewall grommet.
Yeah. I'll remove this guy. Alright. There we go. She comes out easy. Alright, so remove the clutch pedal. There's 2 bolts on this side, 2 on the other side, and then 1 at the top underneath this pedal. So just 5 of them, and then the clutch pedal should come out. Get her out of there and throw her in the bin. So we're turning it to an auto. Engine mounts. Time to go home. That's it for this one, guys. Next episode, we're going to grind out those welds, start doing a bit more stuff in the engine bay. Until then, see ya.